Hello Facebook users. Need to share text or link? Whether it's a funny status, an interesting post or a heartfelt message, let's learn how to copy and paste on Facebook. It will be extremely simple with just a few steps. This can help you in case you need to save some videos, or some important documents that you cannot remember or cannot save with other operations. Now, let's get started with me. Step 1, open the Facebook application. Step 2, find the text you want to copy. It could be a post, a comment, or a message. Step 3, press and hold the text until a menu appears. Step 4, select copy from the menu. Step 5, navigate to where you want to paste the text, new post, comment or message. Or your note app. Final step, press and hold the text field, then select paste. Remember that copying and pasting makes sharing content easier. I bet it will save you quite a bit of time and effort. Instead of handwriting and typing, now you just need to press, hold and hold to paste somewhere so you can share or save the text. Wishing you a productive working day and saving a lot of time. Thanks for watching the video.